Before I start this video, today is Memorial Day, and I want to take just a minute to thank the servicemen and women of law enforcement, military, past and present, for the service and the sacrifices that you have made so that we can have our freedom. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, and God bless. This cook is going to be reverse sear tri-tip. I am going to do some things a little bit differently. I'm going to use the prime rib rub on it. I haven't used it before, so I have no idea what it's going to taste like. I'm going to do the slow cook in the Traeger, and then I'm going to reverse sear it on the infrared. Make sure to stick around to the end so when we slice this thing up, we can see how good it looks.